Welcome to Excel Magic Trick number 269. Hey, if you want to download this workbook and follow along, click on my YouTube channel, then click on my college website link, and you can download the workbook, Excel Magic Trick 268 to 275. Hey, in this trick, we want to use COUNTIF to count how many occurrences of 1, 2, 3, 4 there are. We have a little data set here. It keeps going down and down. And we want our criteria in 4 different cells like this. It'd be fine to put the criteria with commas. But this particular setup, we didn't want to do that. We want to have the numbers separated. So we just have to do a couple extra little steps when we count. Hey, let's start off with COUNTIF equals COUNTIF. It needs a range and a criteria. The range is just going to be all of our data without the header. So I highlight the range like that. And I hold Control and Shift and down arrow. As long as there are no blanks, that works just fine. And then I hit the F4 key to lock it. But I don't really need to lock it because I don't need an absolute reference. But that jumps the screen back up, which is very convenient. Comma, and now the criteria. Notice there's commas. We'll click here, and we'll join using the join symbol, ampersand. Shift 7. And then because we have commas in quotes, we have to put a comma. Right now, we've joined the content of that cell and this comma. Now we're going to do another ampersand. And guess what? I'm going to copy this just like that because I'm going to use it a few more times. And then I'm going to click here, Control V, and then here, Control V. And there we have it. We've joined those 4 cells and a comma. Close parentheses, and that COUNTIF will work, unless we get an error. Click OK. And sure enough, I have too much junk at the end. So I'm going to highlight that and backspace. Control Enter, and there are 0. Well, we shouldn't get 0, so we better hit F2 for edit mode. And sure enough, we have 1, 2. What did I do wrong there? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to Control V. Oh, yeah, we didn't get our last cell here. I don't know what I did. But now it'll work. Control Enter, 4. Now, if we want to change any one of these, like 3, it certainly is less typing than typing the whole thing with commas. We'll type a 1 here, and there's one of them. We'll type a 2 here, still a 1. How about a 4 there? And there's 0 of those. All right, that's COUNTIF with a bunch of concatenation. All right, see you next trick.